The Mediterranean diet has been praised for its numerous health benefits, which contribute to longevity and overall well-being. This diet emphasizes the consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats such as olive oil and nuts. It also includes moderate amounts of fish and poultry, and limited red meat and dairy products. Research has shown that following a Mediterranean diet can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes, as well as lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The high consumption of fruits and vegetables provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which support overall health and immune function. The inclusion of healthy fats, particularly from olive oil and nuts, has been associated with a lower risk of developing chronic diseases and cognitive decline. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet has been linked to lower rates of obesity and a healthier weight management. Incorporating this diet into one's lifestyle can also have a positive impact on mental health, as it is associated with a reduced risk of depression and anxiety. Overall, the Mediterranean diet offers a wealth of health benefits that promote longevity and well-being. Its emphasis on whole, nutrient-dense foods and healthy fats make it an attractive option for those seeking to improve their health through dietary choices.